These are boneless chicken breasts. What do you call this thing?
Big Boss air fryer.
There you go, the Big Boss air fryer. This thing is hot. I'm warning you ahead of time. Be careful with it. It's a wondrous thing, but it's very, very hot and it will hurt you. Big Boss is a very simple thing. It's a halogen light with a fan in it, period. You can control the temperature. It's thermostatically controlled. It's non-stick. You don't have to worry about the grill down here. As long as you keep it clean. You gotta keep it clean. I use a glove. Only because I'm handling raw meat with my hand. I'm gonna begin by putting my oils in here. I use a popular popcorn oil. It's just soy oil, but it raises the smoke temperature of the olive oil. It doesn't take much, just a little. This is just regular, light tasting. In fact, this was organic, extra light tasting olive oil. And this is spray olive oil. There is no propellant in here that can catch on fire or damage your machine in any way. That's what you want to be careful with. This is made for this purpose right here. I'll take each one of these chicken breasts and roll them in this mixture of oil. The thing I like about cooking chicken like this is it's less fattening, shall we say. Those of us that have trouble with that sort of thing can use this to eat healthy, save a few calories, and save a few dollars at the same time. That's why I'm doing this. We enjoy doing this, and if you like what we're doing, push the like button. Subscribe to our channel. Share it with your friends. We would really appreciate it. This is kosher salt. It's a very coarse grind of salt. You don't need to use much of it. This is all I'm using here. Just that much of a pinch. Kind your grandmother used. Now, I've been cooking chicken for years, and she'll put a picture on here of me cooking chicken years ago. My mother cooked chicken, my grandmother cooked chicken. They didn't cook it like this. They used big old cast iron skillets. They filled it full of bacon grease, and when it was over with, kitchen smelled good, but it took a week to clean it. Now, this is unseasoned, plain breadcrumbs. You can buy any kind that you want. I use the unseasoned. I cover this really well. You can put other seasoning on here if you want to. Be careful with just regular old black pepper that you buy. Stuff burns, it tastes terrible. You use this extra virgin olive oil spray just to keep your breadcrumbs from burning on top. Now, according to this, it wants 375 degrees at 35 minutes, okay? That's fine. You can run it up to 400 if you want to and cook it less time. I think the slower cook makes the chicken taste a whole lot better, and it's more tender and you'll enjoy it. All right, we're gonna turn this around. I'm gonna set it at just under 35 minutes. These are medium-sized chicken breasts from what I've dealt with. So you don't really need all that time. You don't want to burn them or get them tough or anything. When you're ready to start cooking, there it is. And that's all. Welcome back, food fans. We're almost ready to pull this chicken out of here. One of the conveniences of this or any other air fryer is the walk away convenience. This will cook on its own. You don't have to do anything with it. If you were cooking in hot grease in a skillet or even baking in the oven, you want to keep your eye on it. This one, you can sort of walk away just a little bit. It's very convenient. All air fryers that way, and I've enjoyed them all, but this one I've enjoyed more because it's so easy to use and so easy to keep clean.
Oh, that's pretty. Let me get a nice view of those chicken breasts here.
That wasn't supposed to happen. The best minimum temperature for a chicken breast is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. I keep a thermometer in here all the time, and I'm going to measure this in the fattest part of that chicken breast, and you can see it come up. That's 169 degrees. I live with that. It's not too hot, not too cold. It's just right. Show you how I keep these. It's just the two of us, so I cook them ahead of time and then put them in the refrigerator, and we have it every night. And then we do something else on the weekend. Take them like this, wrap them in a paper towel, and just set them aside. Let them continue resting, because you don't want to put hot food in a refrigerator. That's one breast of chicken right there. It's enough for 2 people. Or me. There it is, perfectly cooked, delicious, a nice crispy crust on the outside, low calorie, low cost, low fat. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks very much for tuning in. Share, subscribe, and like. And come back and see us on our channel. We have lots of interesting videos over there that you might enjoy.